Today we're going to take you behind the scenes for an exclusive look at the ASCRS exhibition hall. So if you're interested in cataract surgery and what happens at our cataract conferences, then this is the video for you.
See a world so crystal clear. Dr. Tokuhara is here. Desert vision center bright, bringing back your perfect sight. Through the clouds we cut the haze, guiding you to brighter days.
All right, so we're at the cataract conference here with Laura, one of our awesome surgery techs. We're gonna walk through the exhibit hall and give you a tour of what they have to show here. I always make time to come to these meetings, not just to see what's new, but to think critically about where things are headed. There's a lot of energy, a lot of innovation, and yes, a lot of marketing. But for me, it's about cutting through the noise to find the ideas and tools that might actually move the needle for patients. I don't chase every shiny object, but I do pay attention, because sometimes the right technology at the right moment really can make a difference. It's always inspiring to see so many innovations coming together in one place. Now, as I was looking at the footage, I thought it is going to be useful to slow things down for a moment and give you a closer look at a few standout technologies that really caught my attention this year on the exhibit hall. Tools that I think could genuinely impact the way we care for patients. So we're going to be taking a deeper dive in the Unity system, which combines vitrectomy and phaco, and a really elegant platform, and also the 3D NGENUITY microscope, which is redefining how we visualize surgery. So let's take a closer look. Foot pedals look like that. There's a nice foot pedal. It does both combined phaco, 4D phaco, not just regular torsional, but 4D. And it's got the vitrectomy combined. Later in the day, I learned more about the 4D phaco technology in the Unity system. It basically allows for faster surgery time, smoother lens removal, with reduced ultrasound energy. That means less stress for the patient's eye and faster recovery. Now, while the Unity system is all about delivering precision and control at the surgical handpiece, there's another tool that's changing the future of cataract surgery, and not how we operate, but how we see. So let's shift gears and take a look at the 3D NGENUITY visualization system. It's basically a platform that's bringing depth, detail, and digital clarity to the operating room in the way that's really hard to go back from once you've experienced it. 3D glasses. Oh, they clip right on top.
They clip right on top.
Okay. All right, let's do it. Very nice.
Have a seat.
Basically, the NGENUITY is a 3D system that allows surgeons to do their work without having to hunch over a traditional operating microscope because it's digital. So you basically combine a 3D TV with a digital microscope, and now we don't have to hunch over a normal microscope. We can just look straight ahead like we're watching TV. This has been around for a few years, but it's had a slow adoption rate for various factors like surgeon comfort and even cost. But I'm excited about it, and every time I see one of these in the exhibit halls, I always have to sit down and check it out. And I don't have to lean in, like I can just sit normally.
You're gonna be one of the few doctors without kyphosis.
I've talked to some of the guys that have been in practice for 30, 40 years, and they all complain about neck pain. They all say they got to go to the chiropractor every week.
It's like a
This really would make a big difference in my ergonomics. Final summary, we are finishing up the conference, and now we're going to head on to the Alcon event for the new PanOptix Pro lens. Anything you want to say, Laura?
it was very cool. I learned a lot. And it's just all in my head that I can't, it just
I know. We'll have to do like a big summary of the best points from the weekend, so stay tuned for that. We'll do a little video about that later on, so we'll see you in the next one.
See a world so crystal clear. Dr. Tokuhara is here. Desert Vision Center bright, bringing back your perfect